Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update Foxit PDF Reader on Windows. First, open Foxit PDF Reader on your computer. Next, click on File in the top left corner, then click on Preferences. In the Preferences window, scroll down the left panel and click on Updater. Now you will see the update settings. Select Automatically Download Updates, but let me choose when to install them. This is the recommended option because Foxit will automatically download new updates and notify you before installing them. After selecting the option, click OK to save the changes. Now close Foxit PDF Reader and open it again. From now on, Foxit will check for available updates automatically and notify you when a new version is available. Using this option helps keep Foxit PDF Reader up to date with the latest features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and security updates. If Foxit shows an update notification in the future, simply click Install and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. So the steps are simple. Open Foxit PDF Reader, go to File, open Preferences, click Updater, select Automatically Download Updates, but let me choose when to install them and click OK. That's it. You have successfully enabled automatic updates in Foxit PDF Reader. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.